Guys, Brian Mancuso with Getac. Hey, I've been working with T-Mobile recently. They just recently certified our new BC4 BODYCAM and wanted to show you a little bit about how our license plate reader, or LPR, can work. This is some amazing technology. Again, we can work with through T-Mobile to offload video to do this capability. And I'm going to show you some of the. So we're one of the first 4K providers out there of our DASHCAM and BODYCAM. And then you'll see it right here as it's picking up the GPS. It's got the speed. You'll notice it's flickering. So what it does is it's reading the license plate, and when it's done, it runs it multiple times. And when it gets the 85% that it knows, uses that Getac AI. It knows that that's the plate number. It then runs the license plate. So you'll see it scans it, confirms it, and then runs it. So here is on a rainy day. Here's a parking lot. And you'll see me back away here in a second. And you'll notice it's scanning multiple vehicles within the parking lot. So if you guys ever have, if the agency has need for, let's say, burglaries, homicides, whatever, they need to see where they run that plate before they can look it up. Here's nighttime patrol. When I was a deputy, used to have to get right up on them to try to read that plate. But notice how it reads it from a distance really good. So this is a really good technology that an officer does not have to do a lot of straining and be safe as they're out there doing their job of, keeping us safe and looking for people that are not doing good things. So I hope you enjoyed the short video on Getac LPR. Again, we're working closely with our carriers out there to use this SIM card to make this happen. Thanks.